It says, well, that is just fascinating in the UK. They march forward on the 30th, but oh my gosh.
Whoa!
He accidentally left a potato in the microwave for over 55 minutes.
Jesus Christ. It's literally
It really took him
charcoal.
5 business days to notice.
Don't you hear it?
This guy was somehow
Wow.
able to outsmart the police.
No way. No way. That's crazy. Robert, what the heck? Whoa! Ow!
This company often has their employees work in icy conditions, so they set up a slippery obstacle course to train them.
With a baby?